Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup with fresh tomatoes. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly and remove the cores. Then, cut each tomato into quarters. For an extra layer of flavor, you can roast these tomato pieces at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes before proceeding. This step really enhances their natural sweetness. Next, let's build our flavor base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Then, stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your prepared tomatoes, whether roasted or fresh, to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, for that creamy, smooth texture, carefully blend the soup directly in the pot using an immersion blender until it's completely smooth. If you prefer, you can pass it through a fine mesh sieve for an even silkier consistency. Stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or 2 tablespoons of butter for richness. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.